What's up with YouTube? It's your boy Dunn back here in the video. Alright, look, finna go to the get my little sister from school. Well, not even, she didn't even go to school today. But y'all know what's going on. Y'all know what the fuck going on. Shit. You know, I'm just running down the cooling with her. Shit. Man, go get a motherfucking haircut. Shit. You know, look a little rough, y'all. Y'all see me. For real. Y'all see I'm looking a little rough. You know, gotta get this shit, you know, get chopped up and shit. Make this shit look better. And might go to the car wash. Why them on a car? Shit. See what today gonna get up in here. Feel me? You know. Just cheap day. Shit, y'all might get a video. Y'all might, I don't know, y'all might get a video tomorrow. I'm trying to post daily videos. That is me just sitting at home. I ain't even doing shit. I'ma get up, start talking to y'all, and see how today gonna go. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get ready to start me a little clothing brand soon, and shit like that. Head down shit, the motherfucker. You know, I got a little kid, bad motherfucker. Pull up in there, dang. Like, comment, subscribe on my videos and shit. And shit, y'all know how we do. Take, you know, blows, pan. Hey. Hey. Yeah. White tee. White tee. Pen, shoe, everything. Blink together. I'm gonna go get them little chop.
Okay. Hey, son, how you doing?
Alright.
All right, you doing? Are you fine to die?
I'm telling y'all back on, leave out of here. Alright, back y'all. I'm gonna go get them on my haircut, feel? I'm gonna tell y'all back on when we get to the barber shop. I'm a little sister ride with me today. Feel? Yo. I'm gonna get y'all a little pool and stuff like that. You know. Then I'm gonna get one. I get y'all a little pool. I'm gonna tell y'all halfway on when we get to the barber shop, you feel? You know, it's just cheap. I go wash your ass if you hair braided and stuff like that. A nice Sunday feel. out there real quick. I'm picking out the pool. Pulling up to the barber shop now. I'm back in. If y'all barber ain't driving one of them, y'all doing something wrong. Look. See? You got me right. What y'all think? Alright, back to what we doing. Now then, go somewhere. Go to the house now.
Wash my hair.
Go to the crib. And shit. Go to the crib. And my bar AMG hard. Yeah, they're coming on the channel soon. A lot more stuff coming on the channel. I'm doing little car reviews on their cars and shit like that. Y'all, man, y'all gotta get it to him. My line, yeah, she good. Just look at it now. Just look at it. Man, y'all barber never can do that. Yeah, I'm finna get my dread back, shit like that. On some tight shit. Alright, back at the crib. Back at the crib there. And I got why them on my car. If I can get my hair cut, shit like that, I'm gonna get them motherfucker clean too. On the tight shit. Why mama be looking at me like they crazy or something? I'm gonna tell you how back on, I would get done watching her mother and her. Alright?